Easier alternatives to TensorFlow. Pros and cons. TensorFlow is powerful, but can feel complex, especially for beginners. Luckily, there are easier alternatives that simplify machine learning and deep learning tasks while still offering robust capabilities. Let's explore some of these alternatives and their pros and cons. 1. PyTorch. PyTorch is one of the most popular alternatives to TensorFlow. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, especially for researchers and developers. Pros. Easier to learn for beginners, thanks to its straightforward and Pythonic design. Great for experimentation and prototyping because of its dynamic computation graph, which lets you adjust your models on the fly. Strong community support and a wide range of tutorials and resources. Cons. Slightly less optimized for production environments compared to TensorFlow, although tools like TorchServe and ONX are improving this. Smaller ecosystem for pre-built tools and libraries than TensorFlow. 2. Keras. Keras is a high-level API built for ease of use and rapid development. It's tightly integrated with TensorFlow, but can be used with other backends like Theano or CNTK. Pros. Extremely beginner-friendly with simple and readable syntax. Excellent for quick prototyping and building models fast. Offers built-in utilities for common tasks like loading data or monitoring training. Cons. Limited flexibility for advanced use cases compared to TensorFlow or PyTorch. Heavily reliant on TensorFlow in recent versions, which might not appeal to those wanting to avoid TensorFlow entirely. Scikit-learn. Scikit-learn is a library for traditional machine learning rather than deep learning. It's great for beginners exploring simpler models like decision trees, random forests, or support vector machines. Pros. Very easy to use with a consistent and simple API. Ideal for small to medium-sized datasets and classical machine learning tasks. Extensive documentation and examples. Cons. Not designed for deep learning or large-scale neural networks. Limited scalability for very large datasets. Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Studio. This is a cloud-based platform with drag-and-drop functionality, making it one of the easiest tools for building machine learning models without writing much code. Pros. No coding required for basic models, making it perfect for absolute beginners. Offers pre-built templates and integration with other Microsoft tools. Scalable for larger projects using cloud resources. Cons. Limited flexibility for advanced customizations. Can become expensive depending on usage. 5. Google AutoML. Google AutoML automates the process of creating machine learning models, focusing on ease of use and high-level abstraction. Pros. Fully managed, requiring minimal expertise to get started. Excellent for image, text, and tabular data tasks. Integrated with Google Cloud for seamless deployment. Cons. Cost can be a concern for extended use. Lack of control over the inner workings of the model, which might not appeal to more experienced users. 6. FastEye. FastEye is a library built on top of PyTorch, designed to make deep learning accessible with minimal coding. Pros. High-level abstractions that make deep learning faster and easier. Great for image classification, natural language processing, and tabular data. Comes with excellent courses and tutorials tailored for beginners. Cons. Less flexible for very complex or custom models. Requires familiarity with PyTorch for advanced use cases. In summary, PyTorch is ideal for those seeking flexibility with ease of use. Keras is perfect for quick prototyping and beginners focused on deep learning. Scikit-learn is the go-to choice for traditional machine learning tasks. Azure Machine Learning Studio and Google AutoML cater to those who prefer minimal coding. FastEye combines simplicity and deep learning power for practical tasks. The best choice depends on your goals, whether you want to dive into coding, explore traditional machine learning, or quickly build AI models with minimal effort. Each tool has strengths tailored to specific needs.